I will show you how to get the best deals on construction plans of your life. Introducing Build Easy Plans, your one-stop shop for 50 amazing construction plans at an unbeatable price. From charming cabins to spacious garages and everything in between, we've got you covered. Why settle for one plan when you can have 50? That's right, 10 house plans, 10 garage plans, 10 cabin plans, 10 barn plans, and 10 unique miscellaneous plans. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, first-time builders, and small contractors. Start your project today with easy-to-follow plans designed to empower you to build with confidence. Remember, this special offer is for a limited time only. Don't miss out on the incredible value. Download your Build Easy Plans now and start building your dreams. Click the link below to grab your set before it's gone. Build Easy Plans, empowering you to build better for less.